If you deleted some pictures, videos, or important file, it's actually quite easy to recover them. That's something that I use in my personal life, but that I also offered as a service as a PC flipper. It's kind of handy because people see you as the tech guy, and if you can recover their files, you can actually charge good money and also help people when they are having issues. Now, this is especially important if you're recording videos or if you have an SD card with photos or any kind of material. And today we're using Wondershare Recoverit to show you guys how to do it. Now, full disclaimer, this is a sponsored video, so they're paying me to show their product. However, this is also the software I was using before they paid me, and this is the software I use professionally as well. So I can put my face on it, this is very good, and they have certain features which make it the best. But let's start in order. So I took the original video from one of my finished PC builds and I dropped it all on an SD card. I wanted a few different formats. Then I went ahead and just fully formatted the card. Lost it all. Now, to make sure we know exactly what I want to recoup, I kept the original folder and I just copied and pasted and deleted it. Now, what happens when you actually format or delete some files is the references to Windows that basically tells you where the content was and how it was called gets deleted. But since data works in layers, the stuff is still there. You just lost references. So the most important thing is stop using the drive immediately. Don't write anything new on it. Don't move any data from it to or from it, and just leave it like that and start data recovery immediately. The more stuff you put on it, the less the chance it is you can recover what you need. This software basically attempts to recover the remaining data, so it's important you don't overwrite it, and for this test I just stopped using the SD card immediately. So this you're seeing now is Wondershare Recoverit. The main interface lists the internal and external storage connected to that computer, and this is the formatted SD card with the correct capacity. So I will select it and start the scan. The basic workflow is straightforward. Select the affected device, scan it, preview the files that have been found, and then recover the files you need on a different drive. Now, this is especially important. Make sure you're copying the files on a different drive. Don't put them on the original drive because you're gonna overwrite data, as we discussed previously. For example, if you were doing this on an OS drive, the ideal thing would be to turn off the PC, disconnect it, and recover it from another PC. Recoverit also offers an enhanced recovery process designed to search more deeply for video data. This is particularly relevant for large MP4 and MOV files because video data may be stored in separate fragments rather than one simple block. And this is the main reason why I prefer Recoverit. I find with videos, it works the absolute best with this AI advanced scan. Now, files are already beginning to appear in the preview, even though Windows was displaying the card as empty, as you can see. It's a pretty easy recovery process. However, we need for it to finish, so we have to wait for it to be completed. You can then organize the file results by type, for example, video, photo, or just by extension. You can do a lot of sorting, which makes it a lot easier to find what you're looking for, even if for some reasons the name gets lost. Now, from the preview, we can already see some of the clips finally getting back to life, which is very nice, but again, we want to fully finish the scan and export them before actually drawing any conclusion. The scan is now complete, Recoverit has identified all the files, and I am selecting the ones I need and copying them onto my main system SSD. Let's see if the folder is the same as the original one. And yes, it is. So this is a full success. However, we also need to open the files and make sure they're actually still working. The short clips already work normally. These are fairly easy to recover, but I want to see if the full finished video file in 4K actually works. So let's go ahead, open it up and take a look, and this seems to be working, even scrubbing through it. This is very good. So we managed to get back literally everything. However, this is a quick format test where we did not write anything else on the drive and we just very quickly went ahead and recovered everything. Still, it's very impressive that we also got the full video back to normal. Those were super tough to get back in the day. Of course, if you have physically damaged storage, you may require specialists, but in general, if it's just a mistake or you just need back something you deleted, this is a great tool to have. So here's how I recover deleted files from an SD card, but also from SSDs, hard disks, even NVMe, fine for me and for my clients. I can fully recommend Recoverit again for this reason, and I thank them for sponsoring this video. I will leave a link to them down below in the description. And as usual, if you guys found this video helpful, even though it's sponsored, please drop a like and subscribe. And also, if you disagree with me for any reasons, still drop a comment and let me know. I really care about what you guys think and want to improve my content. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.